Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you how to improve your English and what to do. Without partner, you are beginner level, you will easily talk to English, but you will speak to English. I would say you are daily try to speak. Okay? Okay, how to improve English and what to do. One day I go to market and I have bought these sandwich machines. I have bought these sandwich machines 250. Yes, 250. Because my husband, my daughter, my son like this sandwich. These are nice sandwich machines. They are making this tasty sandwich. Yeah, this machine is a good quality. Yeah. Okay. How to make it this how to make it this sandwich. Okay. You are take this you have you have taken these two breads. Okay, one breads you are spread this chili powder. Yeah. And you are making this potato vegetables. Yeah. And this vegetables, this potato vegetables, you are putting this on bread. Yeah. On bread. And you are put this tomato, onion and beetroots. And and one bread is in the and on this one breads. Okay. And you are spread this amul butter. Okay. And you are make it this the you are make it this the sandwich. You are making this sandwich. Yes, this is a good you are this is a these are making this tasty sandwich. Yes. And I like this sandwich. Okay. uh, you are every day talk to English. Uh, you are every day taking this one things, and you are describe these things, and you are easily talk to English. You are lots of practicing. Yeah. And you are record yourself. Okay. Thank you watching this my video. My video is like and subscribe. You can speak. Bye bye.